re teng mona.
We're not here to judge you. Just get it off your chest. Please.
Unfortunately, bagolo ba decided gore e tla nna hela funeral go Rustenburg. Yeah, the family is new to me. Ya no matati ya go tshamukela kwa. Ano nne le khakala le rona.
I'm so sorry.
Haina msebenzi. Zohamba nawe uRustenburg.
Baba Mkhana, bengicela la. Ndayiselulu silende yakho elounge. Hayi kwamanje.
Kamogelo ke malume ke khumo re
Ke montshe. Kamogelo moroka morwa ba bia khantsho le bitumelo ba rona. Fa go letlala ke mmina tshipi, fa go le kgora ke mmina thobo. Bona re tla be re le maaka fa re ka re ga wa re roba dipelo. O tloga o rutlwisitse botlhoko tota le gona.
Please.
Jaanong jaaka re le fa re tswa gone jaanong re go isa ko lefelong la gago la bofelo la boikhutso o se lebe ko morago mo tlong eno mme jaaka re itswa kamogelo re ya le wena ko gae utlwele lentswe lame o ska tlholo o leba mo ntlong e gape.
Lusada. Ay. Wow. Oh, baby. Yazi ngathi ngabona izithombe zayizolo Nkosi yami. I-social media ayisabhazi. He. Oh, wazonwa ngamnandi lapha.
Awuphe uyazi mayfohlaza ukuthi i-breakfast into zami fanele ukudla. Awudleke manje uthi kuma kancane nje ngefoni mami.
Oh, mana kancane bathi ngicheck fast lapha yena ukuthi khona yini amanye ama-order. Phela yazi izolo sidayise ama-t-shirts awu-15 nje phela.
Kwakuhlekele kodwa kulungile-ke mama. Kuthiwa nje uyangasethunjini uqinise esiswini ngoba maduzanzo matasatasa kukhohleka ukudla kanti kubaleke ukuthi udle kusasa uyanento ekhima.
Okay, fine nawe nje yazi ngokuhlezi ungikhumbuza njalo nje.
Uyazi nginembuzo engiyihlelile udokotela. Njengalokho ukuthi ngithi kuye wedokotela kahle inkonzo sekameleni senzani sengisho solve X uyayibona.
Nkosi yami ngavelela.
Oh, ifanele siyibuze into sizazi udokotela.
Asibonge safe by the dead. Sikhokho sami. Asithembe nje ukuthi ubhela ngenxa yale ndaba leyana i-lounge.
Elise bona ne ke re ke emeganyane nyana ka go rekisa taba tsa the lounge man.
Why?
Bona ha ke batle go jaga mara hanga change ngcondo yaka ke a bolela ko wena motho wa ntla ile gore ke tla bolela le.
Alright ke sharp. Hey, yazi. ama-1000 akasayibhayisi lounge. Yazi loyana bekungamelanga nje yazi avusa ithemba lami yazi suka mani. Hey, letha ngidlela ngadla. Oh. Yabo.
Bawo wethu wasezulwini. Ndiyayazi uba afuneke sithembe indlela zakho kodwa
ha ona boikarabelo ebile ha o hlomphe motlakasisi
hayibo malume wazi njani uba ndilapha
mo BNB e haufi le compound ya ba Moroka ho nkile phone call e one fela se se wrong ha o pilong emo ba Moroka ba hanne
o ka mo ebe boyfriend yam
ba hlakisitse hantle hore ba keke ba roba melao ya bona ya setso bakeng sa hao ha o letho ba Moroka.
I wasn't nothing to him malume benimazi ngcono kuna wonke umuntu besinamaphupho sine plans kwimizuzu yakhe yokugqibela bendikhona mina malume besithandana we were everything to each other so I deserve to lay into rest for closure yam and my sanity malume so ngahlala apha undixhase okanye uhambe kodwa mna ndiyahamba kula mngcwabo and awuzonqanda.
Actually, take in here. You can't have it as a cash send.
Hayibo Mike. Esiphethe ukuthi abantu bakwaMoroka ba-accepte lama center yana le. Phela lokho ngathi less than 5 clipper nje.
Mara ke ntho ya batho ba Alex ba kgonne go ikopanya mos.
Ngazongilahisa wena sina ngamabillionaire lana. Abayidingi le change.
Mara se ka bona mos. Ke ka lulama. Ene lulama ene le mongwa o a rona. Kane o hlokalletswe ke motho. Shame ono wa batho. Maki, na wa tsiba go mshanyana yona o bolawe ke. Ona kula. Khona le motho a boneng stopo sa hae.
Hayibo, Gobhozi FM. Awukahle wena indaba zabantu.
Hayibo. Ke batla o tseba fela go moshanyana na phetse hantle jalo ka yena je. Ha a tswe fela ba saize. A ga mabota. So, direng.
Hey, mina ngazi next man.
Uma ka Maki. Wena le fikile le tjena. Ene fikile yena o sebeletsa ba Moroka. O tjena. Le boss ileng khuma. Kapa ba tlomplela ne?
Nokwazi oyakhathaza shem yazi. Hayi. Kina limo disa kitla beki shoka
Well, they're family friends. But now that is as close as one, Rubacolota say, okay,
What's that? Wa amogele segafa.
Gone jaanong ka hlompho Moroka le ena o hlomogile fela jwalo ka lona kaofela
Ga go a tshwanela.
ga re o batla go treatiwa jwalo ka makoti mo shebe fela o utlwile bohloko haholo o batla fela gore goodbye jwalo ka mokgotsi ka kopa.
It's not fair to exclude someone who knew Kamo better than any of us because of outdated tradition.
that's enough. Katla.
Unali right khuba mo, uncle. And it is really not up to any of you anyway. The clan leader has the final say. Should be okay in here, away from everyone else.
Thanks for what you did for me back there.
I am so tired of old men telling us what's right and what's wrong. Times have changed. You belong here.
Ndazi uba uyenza njani yazi Kate. I'm a mess and you seem to be fine. Comforta umamakho nam.
That's how I deal with traumatic stuff. I distract myself by taking care of everyone else.
Ayikho healthy londo. Sooner or later iza kufumana.
Kiyayithi. It's just my way. I've always had to do things on my own, so now I never break down in front of anyone. I do it when I'm alone. Come here.
This is where you'll receive the chemo treatment.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, don't worry, Mama. I'll be with you all the way.
Uzokwenzani? Mbambe isandla?
We strongly recommend that you come with someone, not only to support you emotionally, but to drive you home in case of side effects.
Hey, Baba, what do you mean?
Some people experience side effects almost immediately. It's different for everyone.
Sure.
Bana abantu bangithima after ukuthi ngiforce ukuthi ngijive nawe.
Ke ne ke ja monate fela. Hawu, go ne go le nice.
Ngiyakwazi ukuja munati nami ngiyi-1. Kodwa nana nginabanye abantu ngivele ngizijingelele. And now you walk the opposite way.
Yes, Sebe, one confuse man. Re robala really too fela ka dumelwa gore re couple.
Because you're not.
Mara ke rata ho ba le wena. No wena wa rata ba le nna. Okay, wrong.
Funa ikhondo.
Showcase.
Yes, ngiphelele. Come often.
No.
Yeah, no. Kan kuneking?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Dokotela, I did read about the side effects on those breast cancer pamphlets. I didn't think it happened so soon.
Chemo's a tough treatment. The drug cocktail we're giving you will go through your bloodstream like warriors and attack the cancer cells.
And kill them.
It stops them from multiplying and can also make them disappear. But it can also damage the healthy cells. And because the drugs we're giving you are strong, we administer it in cycles.
Yeah, like once a week.
In your case, yes. And after the treatment, you might feel nauseous, tired, weak.
It's not bad.
Some people also develop mouth sores, rashes, nails change color, the hair falls out. There's actually no way of telling you how the treatment will affect you until you actually do it.
So there's no other way to avoid this.
We'll help Ms. Diale manage the side effects with medication as best we can.
I need some air.
Oh, Dorothy, see what we've done now. We have scared her.
It was never my intention, but she has to know what she's getting herself into, Mr. Mabaso. Chemo isn't easy. You have to be ready for what's to come.
Re ka se kgone go kgatlhanong le ngwao le setso tsa rona.
Fa e le gore ruri setlogolo sa gago se ne se rata morwa wa rona, then she would respect our wishes and she would not come here and taint his final send-off in this way.
Se sa itshupa se gore ruri ga ba mo ruta sentle.
Le ba dumeletse gore ba etse fateng set ko fleteng ya ba moroka. Le ke la compare ka mo re hoditseng bana ka teng.
Yeah, but this is not about her.
Go lekane.
Re ka se ignore gore ka mo ona mo rata Lulama. I need hate for her not to be here. She can stay.
Are you serious?
I have spoken as the clan leader. That's all.
Hayibo. Awunanqinga wena ubekwa yini lapho? Uyahlahla uzolimala man. Wosi.
Angisengincosi ngiyakho into engithunayo yawo.
Hey, wangithini wenzayo?
Ngithi ukulungisa eyami indawo, babes.
Ameshana.
Ezin awubambe lapho kancane nje. Hayi, kuleka ngenza into ehlot baby. Thi ngibone lapho ngenza soku upgrading yana siyo. Yeah, ngithi ukulungisela uDecember. Awu nawe uyazi ukuthi kubhesa kanjani lapho.
Wenza ama renovation manje.
Yona. Angithi umuntu akafuna ukungibhayisela le lounge yakhe. So ngibona ukuthi ngcono yazini ngithi ukulungisa le eyami indawo.
Okay, awumela kahle kahle. Sana sami, sibuya sobabili kudokotela. Wanqaba uba nenkani into lesitho. Lucy. Hey. Ingcono inkomo yamuza umuntu nomfazi. We Lucy. Lucy. Elungiso ma. Angizama ukukulawula la. Lento yekhimo isimo esibucayi. Manje uphula amagama kaDokotela, uchila uDokotela uthi musukwenza zonke lezi zinto. Manje ubhizoza ama renovation.
Hey man, awume man, do please. Jibe kon yimi ophethwe lento yana akusiyithi. Ene ngimza uDokotela nginamadlebe nje. Ngisayelwe isikhathi esincane. Esincane before ngiba yilo muntu esifazane yazi o helpless, o weak. Ongasakwazi ukuzenzela izinto man yazi umuntu ongasakwazi nokuthi agcine igawulo la esiswini. Ngicela awunikeze nje ithuba lokuthi yazi ngenze izinto that still make me feel like uMalusana engimaziyo man now. Before wena
Yini before ngenzeni Lucy?
Before uqala ukunginyanya ungasekwazi nokungibheka bese uyangishiya.
Maluzane alisobe laba khona lolu suku uyangizwa ngithini?
Hey ukhuluma njalo manje Jibe khona. Masengimubi la. Senguchiscope la. Ngisnacks ngingasekwazi ukuba into ebukekayo. Uzoyenza into lejwayele ukuzwa amadoda. Qhubeka ngempilo yakho. Into ozoyenza leyo. Fuba uLucy mina matana.
Nazo.
Mntana uyazi 30 way doctor.
Hayi phela relax khululeka. Feel free. Kodwa phela nawe uthi ukuhlomanyana ama tips. Khumbula ukuthi ngisafuna imali ye-studio.
Yebo. Kahle mntanami. Awayitholi ndawo yakho lento yokwenza into zakho ze-art.
Babji, yazi ngifuna indawo e-right, indawo e-safe, indawo eseduze. And indawo eziningi ezi-right engizitholako zonke ziyadura.
Hayi. Shimpela namhlanje unenhlanhla mntanami. Ngeze kahle ogeza ngoba soba ngihlela ngiyacabanga ukuthi hayi. Uyazi kule business ami lenyama kunendawo ye-warehouse engayisebenzisi lapha. Manje ngithi hayi man. Le ndawo yinhle inamanzi nogesi ulungiselwe yonke into ayinkulu yona kakhulu kodwa izokwazi ukusiza kwenzeni umsebenzi ufuna ukwenza kahle ngibhekele ikhima phela ngiyakubona ukuthi uhluphekile nazi ikheza khona yabona ngale ikhima ngena kule ndawo ukwenze konke okwenzayo kwamanje uzulungiselele kahle mase uthi u-right ke ayisungayishiya indawo enhle yona akufani
Babji khona. Why are you being so nice?
ukuthi mntanami unenkinga engikwazi ukuthi ngixazulula akufani Lucy.
Alo ikhona into engakusiza ngayo?
Yeah, ikhona into engangisiza ngayo. Uyabona ngoba umamncane wakho usengafuna ukuyinakekela lungisela into ekhimi. Bengibona mina nawe singakwazi ukumenza ukuthi ayenze lento.
Hayibo. And then?
Oh, yafika madoda ingilosi ase-Alex. Mamazi, awusho man. Ilokhu into ashingana iflask ikuphi?
Ini?
Iflask. Ngifuna ukuzenzela ikhofi ngisuye nalo waye ngeke ngikwazi ukuyophuza le mbize lapha esibhedlela.
Hayi. Phela lapha emadrowini enzansi.
Ngiyobulelezi uruna leyo.
Chomi, go tletse ka di-magazine gore o kgone o tsamaisana ka go le kwana.
Mata, ngakuphathelana singubo. Ngayinikezwa ngugogo, azange khe ngisebenzise kodwa wena ungayisebenzisa while you still on your treatment.
Ai, nna ke tla tse dijo ka mane ka fridging. Le tse ding di ka freezing. Gore o ska ba pheya wena ho ntse o mekamekana le satane ena ya Kim.
Hayi yazi bafazi mana. Hey kuningi man.
Nonsense. Re na le wena leetong lena la hao. Ene nna ke tla hlokomela mokhamamase.
Mina ngizosebenza ama-extra shift shipping.
Ke thothi. Awuzahlangana ke izinto manje.
Ji, ngicela bandla ukuthi ungayenzi ukuthi ibe into ehrodi lena kodwa mara wena hey have stubborn yazi.
Mara lo wena ke wena o stubborn.
Chomi, itulele fatsing. Ntlo etsa tee re je ka di-sconce ke.
Maki, asithembe ukuthi akusila ama-scones bebeliwadilive laphana eMocha's.
Mani ke entsetse extra ke nka wena.
Hayi bongikwazi kahle phela wena I'm sure uhlohle ne-invoice extra.
Yabona wenze kahle ngamdayisela lo mfana. Wethu ke ngaza tsiba ka yona taba you are on your own.
I'm sure asikho so sasibonela. Ngibonele
Ikuphethe kahle iZanzibar. Ukuthole kanjani? Kulungile ngizocabanga icebo. Hlala nje wena lapho unganyakazi. Ngize ngitshela ukuthi wenze njani.
Enkosi for allowing me to stay.
Well, it's not exactly like you gave me a choice. When I look at you behaving like a Gen Z, it's the
21st century, Mum, and it's really...
Okay, enough. You can stay. You can pay your respects. You can't come with us.
But the coffin, the gravesite...
No, Kat, please.
But it's...
No, don't fight us on this.
It's okay, Kat. Enkosi kodwa ngalento. I appreciate support yakho.
Sinenkinga kufanele siyixazulule. Ukusiza ilunga lomndeni.
Hayi, mawuthi nje Mabaso. Kunoxhaka obambayo lapha.
Bayena Mabaso lo. Ucele manje sewumroka.
Aw. Khani labantu bangomoroko abanjani imbawule ngagcwala ngithi besibasiza nje manje.
Hayi lo. Unozipho udinga usizo lwethu.
Hayi wencinci bengathi uNozipho sowendela kwabangasekho.
Cha. Ngamsiza ukuba abalekele ukhumo waze wabelethela phesheya. Kodwa ke indaba engizobe ngixoxele. Ukhumo umroko usemtholile. Ukandashisa phela lo muntu futhi udiniwe ngoba ngimphuca inkampani yakhe lokho kumenza abe ingozi nokwedlula.
Kodwa umpotiyana kancane angizwisisi kahle.
Ukhumo umroka. Usabisa uNozipho ukuthi uzombulala athathe umntwana. Kodwa sizokuvumela kwenzeke lokho. Mina nawe sizomsa kwagoqa nyawo.
For sure.